Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing my post relaxer wash day using majority of the Olaplex line, which I'm super excited about. Huge thanks to Olaplex for sending these products and for collaborating with me in this video. So if you're interested to see how Olaplex works on my relaxed hair, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm about 1 week post relaxer. So typically at this point in my regimen, I would do a protein treatment, but I opted for Olaplex instead. So my hair is unwashed, it's dry, it's ready for the first step in the Olaplex system. So right now I'm just going to section off my hair to prep and apply number 0 from root to tip. So now I'm going to take my number 0 intensive bond building treatment. You guys, you literally have to cut the spout with scissors for a better flow to apply the product, because trust me, I was struggling before. So I'm just applying it to my roots first because that was the area that was chemically altered, relaxed. So after I massage it in, I finger comb it through just for better absorption so it can just penetrate better. And the instructions do say to apply it to dry hair, so fully saturating each section. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. And if you're not familiar with Olaplex number 0, that's okay. I want to say it just recently came out, so it is the newest addition to the Olaplex line, and its sole purpose is to just prep the hair, prime the hair to absorb nourishment for maximum repair. And it's not mandatory to use before the number 3, but it definitely has its added benefits. So many of you guys know that I love and use the Olaplex number 3 as part of my relaxer day routine. So it works to help repair the broken disulfide bonds from the relaxer. So it's really important when I use it on relaxer day. But Olaplex states that the number 0, the one I'm applying right now, actually contains the highest dose of the patented Olaplex technology, which is called, I don't want to say it wrong, but I'm going to try to say it, bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate. Not sure if I said that right, but I'll leave it here on the screen. So this ingredient / technology really helps to rebuild the hair bonds, strengthen the hair, protects the hair's integrity. My hair feels so smooth while applying this right now, so I'm truly impressed. And it's part of the first step before number 3. So it's a 2-part system, which is actually genius if you think about it, because I never really liked the idea of applying water to my hair before using number 3. So it just fits perfectly in my relaxer day routine because I use it after a neutralizing shampoo, and then I leave it in, and then I shampoo it out as the instructions say. So it just makes way more sense to wet the hair, prime the hair with something that is liquid but provides beneficial ingredients to help repair the hair. So for me, using number 0 before number 3 makes a lot of sense because my hair is getting much more nutrients than it would when just using number 3 alone. So I'm basically just saturating my hair all over again just to ensure that it's not dry and everywhere is covered. So the instructions say to leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm going to use a plastic bag, no heat, and then I'll follow up with the number 3 afterwards. So it's been 10 minutes, but I wanted to show you guys the amount of product that I used. So I would say I use about quarter size amount, so about 3 to 4 uses I can get out of this bottle, which I'm pretty surprised about because my hair was well saturated from roots to ends. So now I'm going to take the number 3 hair perfector, my fave, and apply it on top of the number 0. Just so you know, number 0 is not to be rinsed out, but it remains underneath the number 3 for maximum absorption and repair and all that good stuff. Also, Olaplex states that when both number 0 and number 3 are used together, like as a 2-part system, it's scientifically proven for your hair to receive 68% more repair, and it will be 3 times stronger. So that's a pretty big claim. But Olaplex for me never disappoints, so I'm curious to see how my hair will turn out. So right now I'm done applying the number 3 in sections, and I'm ready to cover my hair with a plastic bag and let it sit for another 10 minutes. You guys, my hair is feeling very soft, so smooth, just from using the number 0 and 3 treatment. Like, I have no words. So I'm just gonna rinse up my hair with water before I shampoo. Now I'm going to grab the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I'm only using a dollar size amount because it's very thick and a little bit goes a long way. Of course, I'm focusing on my roots just to ensure that my scalp remains nice and clean. And this shampoo is supposed to protect the hair by relinking broken bonds. So it helps to reduce breakage in that sense. And it's pH balanced. So it's also good for keeping your cuticles nice and healthy. There is one protein in here in this shampoo, and it's hydrolyzed vegetable protein. So just be aware of that, but it rinses out great. And now I'm going to t-shirt dry and move on to the conditioning phase. So I've been t-shirt drying for about 10 minutes and my hair feels pretty soft after shampooing. It doesn't feel stripped or anything like that. It doesn't feel rough either, even though the shampoo does have protein in it. So now I'm going to apply the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's mad thick, you guys, so you don't have to use an excessive amount. I think it's best to also apply it to damp hair just for easier distribution. It smells really nice. It's very faint in fragrance, so that's a good thing. But it's strictly moisture based, so there's no protein in this conditioner. It is protein free and it's pH balanced, which is a good thing, especially for relaxed hair. So I'm going to say it's between the level of 4 and 5, which is great for closing the cuticles, adding shine, adding moisture, and it's thick, you guys. So a little bit goes a long way. And I love the thickness of it, which is great for coarser hair types like myself. And Olaplex also advises that for coarser hair types, adding in the number 7 with the conditioner helps to provide more moisture and just overall make the hair feel softer. So that's another option. But I just wanted to try the conditioner alone just to see how my hair responds. So I finished applying the conditioner from roots to ends, and now I'm going to leave it on with a plastic bag for 20 minutes. So after rinsing out the conditioner, I t-shirt dried for about 10 minutes, and you guys, my hair feels so incredibly soft. It feels conditioned, and I'm quite impressed at this point, to be honest, and I'm not even done yet. So I'm going to move on to the next step, which is the number 6 Bond Smoother. This is the leave-in treatment, so it can be used right after conditioning, and right now the smoothness is just insane. Like, I had to literally look at the ingredients to see what is in this stuff because it just melted in my hair. It feels so incredibly soft right now, and I have no words, you guys. Like, I can't say anything else at this point. So I'm just going to distribute this throughout my hair and then detangle with my wide tooth comb. So this leave-in cream can be used on either damp or dry hair. It all depends on your preference, but I used it on damp hair, and you guys, my tangles just melted away. My cuticles are smooth. So the name Bond Smoother is just on point. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is air drying quite fast. So I know that the product does aim at speeding up blow drying time. So I'm wondering if that's the reason why. And it's also used as a heat protectant. So I'm going to continue flat ironing my hair and show you guys the final look. So I'm going to finish off my style using the number 7 bonding oil. So I'm going to take a couple dabs of that and just smooth it over my strands just for added shine, tame any frizz or flyaways. I like how the oil is super lightweight and a little bit goes a long way. You guys, my hair feels light, it has body, it feels smooth and airy as well. I'm just very impressed with my results. Of course, you gotta tame those edges, gotta smooth those into place. So yeah, overall, I'm incredibly happy with the results. Thank you so much, Olaplex, for this awesome experience. It was literally an experience. You guys comment down below. Let me know if you've used the entire Olaplex line or if you plan on doing so in the future. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.